In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to share live locations on Instagram. Now, if you want to send someone your current location, simply head to Instagram. You want to head to your message section. Now, let's say you want to send this person your current location. Simply head to their chat. You want to tap onto this plus icon at your bottom right. You will see the location option. Head to it. Instagram will access your current location if you allow to the settings. If not, head to your phone settings. You will then scroll to apps. In the search bar, search for Instagram. Head to it. Now on location, make sure it's marked on while using the app, or always just like mine. Now just get back to your Instagram and tap on share your location. Your current location will get shared for a full hour. You can tap on stop sharing location if you wish to. Well, that's how easy it is to share live locations on Instagram. And if you find this video helpful, consider subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials like this one.